This question is a coordinate geometry question asking us about the midpoint between 2 points. It says, what is the midpoint of the line segment that has endpoints -5, 4, and 3, 10 when graphed in the standard XY coordinate plane? You could make a graph, sketch it, and that would help you find the midpoint. But there's also a formula for the midpoint, and it looks like this. Capital M for the midpoint. We are trying to find the average of the x values and the average of the y values, and that will give us the middle. So that formula looks like this. x1, the first x value, plus x2, the second x value, and then we just divide that by 2. Comma, same thing. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The only thing we need to know here is what are those elements within the formula. So this is our first point, which means every point is arranged x comma y. So this is our first x value, x1, making the 4 our first y value. And then 3 is x2, second x value, and the 10 is the second y value. We can use that and this formula to then plug those values in. So x1, -5, plus x2, which is 3, and then we divide that by 2, comma, now the y value, y1, 4, plus y2, which is 10, and we divide that by 2 as well. Okay, then we just keep going and simplify what we have. So our midpoint is going to be -5 plus 3 is -2. And we're going to divide that by 2. And then 4 plus 10 is 14. And we're going to divide that by 2. And now we just clean that up and we get our midpoint is -2 divided by 2 is a -1. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we know that the midpoint between these 2 points is -1, 7. And we can find that in choice B.